Should we wind him again, Johnny?
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah. Do you like that, Johnny?
No.
Here, come over here and watch you with your wind up. Set your. Here they go. Say, come, go get Johnny. Go get Johnny. Here they come.
Can I do mine?
Sure. Want to wind him up again?
Can we help you?
Those your little chicken and ducky?
I did it!
You did it! Yay, you did it yourself. Here it comes. Oh, look at you now. She sees it. Hello. What's the matter, pups?
Why is mine not happy?
Well,
Do you want me to help you?
There it
There
goes.
you go.
Hopping the Grammy. Now it's going to hop to you.
I'll do it.
Do you want me to help you, sweetheart?
No.
You okay?
I'm going to
Go to the vacuum.
It's a birthday girl on the
Look,
floor.
I did
Nice work.
it! Have some more.
Alright, let's go.
Dogs get scared of vacuum.
You got the vacuum.
Dogs get
That's the spirit. Have a party
And
vacuum.
look who's sleeping.
Good
Oh,
job.
thank you, Johnny.
I did it!
Thank you for helping Grammy. Did you do it? You did it all by yourself?
Look.
You did. You wind it up? Hi, Mackie.
Watch
Do you have a
what
birthday
I
hat
can do. I can watch
I'm watching you.
my Toya.
I saw you. I got that on camera, sweet.
Thank you.
Oh, pretty soon.
A little more.
Is this warm enough?
Yes. I never put the lining in.
There you go. There you
You
go.
did it. Nice
Let
work.
him hop.
Pop, pop.
You want me to help you hop?
Oh, do it.
Okay, you do it.
You did it. Yay. Okay, Maddie, are you ready for our birthday march?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
What all